of those who would want to talk to someone. No, we wanted to make sure that we take care not just in the spiritual side but also in the mental side aspect of everyone. So, etong pastoral care, tinayo po natin ito para mag-offer po ng may mga makakausap at may mag-aalaga at may mag-journey with sa lahat ng mga kapatid natin na gustong merong journey at may kausap. So that's our pastoral care. But more than that, this is an opportunity for everyone to also make sure that they have someone that they can journey with. Yeah.
Yes. Napakagandang ministry ito na okay na suportahan. Kaya gustong-gusto nila Kuya Larry at Ate Des na suportahan natin ang Light of Jesus Pastoral Care. Alright?
Okay, sige.
So, I think it's time.
So again, we would like to really encourage you if you would want to give gifts to Des and Larry, please donate to our pastoral care.